So if you're making an arch top, first of all, make yourself a template. Put that in place. There is nothing difficult about this. And the reason I say that is because I can do it. That's what it's going to end up like. We take a jigsaw and we simply follow the line. So that's good enough. The next stage is to take a router and you have to go down to this in stages. And now all you do is with the router you follow the edge. To make sure that you don't go too far over, just have a bit of scrap with you. And then hit the line. That's the one side. After you've taken it off the one side, you take the template off. Remember to take the pins out, which I forgot the last time. Turn it over, and then using the rebate cutter, sander, smooth the inner bit out. Hold that up there. we change over from that to the, we'll take it. Is how you make an archtop in about 15 minutes. Now that's all we're going to be doing today, but tomorrow we'll finish this one off, and Bob's your uncle, Charlie's your aunt.